Hello everyone. In this module, we are going to learn about basic 3D plots and following are the topics that we are going to discuss. Firstly, we will learn what is 3D plot. After that, we will see how we create it. Then we will discuss some basic 3D plots in Matplotlib. So you all know that Matplotlib is a most popular option for data visualization and it was originally designed to plot 2D charts such as bar chart, line chart, scatter chart, histogram and others. But it has since expanded its capabilities to include 3D plotting modules as well. So firstly we will understand what is 3D plot means. So any object in the real world having three dimensions are known as 3D object. Having three dimension means height, width and depth. So the graph which is constructed on these three dimensions are known as 3D graphs or plot. So before learning basic 3D plots, let's discuss the steps of creating 3D plots in Matplotlib. So the first step is import libraries. The first one is a standard import statement for Matplotlib plotting. You all know that the statement is import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. The second import statement is the axis 3D class that is required to enable 3D projection, and the statement for it is from mpl underscore toolkits dot mplot3d import axis 3D. But note one thing, the second import statement which I told you is required for Matplotlib version before 3.2.0, and if you want to plot 3D graph after the version of 3.2.0 or in the version of a 3.2.0, you can draw it without importing the second statement. So the next step is create axis and define projection. We have to create the figure first, then we must create a 3D axis object and specify the value of projection parameter to 3D as we want to plot the 3D graph. And the syntax for this is plt.axis and in parentheses we pass projection parameter and we have to set its value to 3D as we want to plot the 3D graph. It is very necessary step, otherwise you are not able to plot the 3D graphs. So the last step is plot the graph. After we have created the axis object, we may utilize this axis object to build any form of the plot in 3D space. So now we will discuss some basic 3D plot. Axis library give us a numerous function which can be used to plot various 3D plots. So we will discuss the first one. The first one we will learn to create the 3D line plot. And it create a plot x versus y and y versus z as a line. And the syntax to create the 3D line plot is ax dot, or we can say that the axis dot plot 3D and in parentheses we pass the three dimensions x, y and z. So when we are talking about the 2D case, we are only using two dimensions x and y. But when we move to the 3D plotting, we have to pass the three dimensions x, y and z. So now we will see an example related to 3D line plot to clear the concept. So here is the code where we are going to discuss how to create the 3D line plot. So the first statement I use importing libraries. So first one I import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Then I import numpy as np, and after that I import the matplotlib 3D library which is from mpl underscore toolkits dot mplot3d import axis 3D. Then I create the figure. For this I call the figure function and I pass fixed size parameter to it as I want to set the figure size to 4 width and the 4 length. and I assign fig variable to it. Then I create the axis. For this I call the axis function. As I want to get the 3D plot, I pass the projection parameter and I set its value to 3D and I assign ax variable to it. Then I define the data coordinates. So I define three data coordinate x, y and z as we want to create the 3D plot. Then I want to create the 3D line chart. For this reason I call the plot 3D function with respect to ax variable which I use to create the axis. And I pass xyz data coordinate to it and I format the line also. So I set the line style to dashed, marker to circle and the color of the line to red. Then I want to add a title to the plot. So I call the set underscore title function with respect to ax, which means axis, which I use to create axis, and I pass title as a 3D line chart. And in last I call the show function to display the graph. Now I run this code. So here you can see the output. Here we create the 3D plot which has line. So it has three axes x, y and z. So now we will learn to plot 3D scatter graph. So it creates a plot between x versus y versus z as a scatter plot, or we can say that a marker points. And the syntax for this is ax dot scatter 3D and we pass three coordinates to it x, y and z as we want to create it in the 3D plot. So now we will see an example to clearly understand the concept how we create the 3D scatter plot. So here is the code related to 3D scatter plot. So firstly I import the Matplotlib plot pyplot as PLT library and NumPy as NP library. You can see that this time I does not import the Matplotlib 3D library because I told you earlier that we doesn't need this library if we are working on the version after 3.2.0. For that reason, I doesn't import this library. Then I create a figure. For this, I call the figure function and I set the figure size to 8 inches in length and width both. So then I assign fig variable to it. Then I create the axis and I pass projection parameter to it and I set its value to 3D as we want to plot the 3D graphs and I assign ax variable to it. After that, I define the data coordinates x, y and z. For this, I use the random.random function of a NumPy module and then I call the scatter 3D function with respect to ax as I want to create the 3D scatter plot and I pass x, y, z data coordinates to it and I set its marker to cross symbol and I change the color of the markers to green as I pass the short form of the green color G. And I also change the size of a marker, so I pass the S parameter and I set its size to 60. Then I want to add labels on the axis. For this I call the set underscore x label function, set underscore y label function and set underscore z label function for x axis, y axis, z axis respectively. Then I want to remove the grid lines. For this I call the grid function with respect to ax variable and I pass the false boolean value to it. And in last I call the show function as I want to display the plot. Now I execute this code and here you can see that it creates the scatter plot in 3 dimensions. It has 3 axes x, y and z and this graph does not have any grid lines. You can see in the above graph by default it has grid lines but when I pass the grid function and set its value to false, the grid line doesn't appear. So now we will learn to create the 3D bar chart. For this we use the axis dot bar 3D function and we pass parameter x, y and z. x underscore size, y underscore size, and z underscore size also. So now we will see an example to learn to create 3D bar chart. So let's see an example first. So here is the code. For this I again import the necessary libraries matplotlib.pyplot as plt and numpy as np. Then I create the figure. For this I call the figure function, and this time I change the figure size to 7.5 inches for both height and width. Then I assign fixed variable to it. After that I call the axis function as we want to create the axis, and I pass projection parameter to it and set its value to 3D as we want to create the 3D bar chart, and I assign axis variable to it. After that I define x, y and z coordinate to it, and I set its value using the list. And for defining the size of x, y and z coordinates, I use the list and the once function of the numpy module. Then I call the bar 3D function as I want to plot the 3D bar chart. So I call this function with respect to ax variable as we create the axis in 3D projection with this variable. So I pass x, y, z, x underscore size, y underscore size and z underscore size as data points and the sizes of the bar, and I also change the color of the bar. For this reason I pass the color parameter to it and I set its value to b, which means blue. Then I want to add labels to the axis. For this I call the x underscore x label function, set underscore y label function, set underscore z label function. Next, I want to add labels to the plot. For this, I call the set underscore x label function, set underscore y label function, and set underscore z label function. And in last, I call the show function as I want to display the graph. So now I execute this code, and here you can see that it creates a bar chart in 3 dimensions having x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So with this, we have learned to create basic 3D plots in Matplotlib, and in the next module, we will learn to create advanced 3D plots.